2026, unique, adventurous, slowly, and so much fun. I'm planning our 2026 trip. These 3 trips, keep in mind, make it easy, make it stress-free, make it fun, and go back to basic. Oh, and making one prediction that will happen by the end of 2026. Just curious to see if it'll actually happen. Let's fly into it. Trip idea number 1, instead of going all cosmopolitan, busy, and rush, and go here and go here and go here, pick relaxed. A little hidden gem, a place that not everybody's going. For example, in 2026, La Sagrada Familia, the church in Barcelona that has been under construction for hundreds of years, is finally going to be completed. Barcelona may not be the place you want to be. It's going to be crowded. It's been crowded on years past, but this year with the completion of that church, wow. Instead, pick a place that's going to be a little more slow, like the Italians say, slowly, slowly. Instead of doing the Amalfi Coast, always very crowded, very beautiful, but very crowded, go to Sicily instead. Small island, less crowded, but still has great sights to see, waters, cliffs, temples, the best. Yes, the best gelato you've ever tasted. And if you go, comment below and I'll tell you where to find gelato in Sicily. Find some place that we don't have to rush, but you can still enjoy everything. You can get your relaxation, you can see your sights, but there's not going to be as many people. Choose a small town, drive to it, fly to it, or fly to a bigger town and then drive out somewhere. We just did a trip to Palm Springs, but about an hour away from that is Joshua Tree National Park. It's been on my bucket list forever. Rent a car, head out there. It was nice hiking. We got to have a great time. And it was in the 80s. Let's pick 2026 to be slowly. We are planning a cruise for later in the fall. And another way to do that would be less crowded, maybe more relaxing, is picking a cruise line that's not a huge thousands of people on board, where maybe like a Viking cruise that has smaller ships. Waterways, they have more refined, tailored trips, but their boats are a lot smaller, so it's not as crowded. Another way to avoid the crowds is to go in the shoulder season instead of the busy summer seasons. Every place has their busy season, so make sure that you look up and see when the highest times of tourists and pick just outside of that. Some things might be closed, true, more relaxed and enjoyable trip when you're not fighting all the crowds too. Adventure trip number 2 is try a decision detox trip. It piqued my curiosity, and what it is either 1, reach out to a travel agent and let them put together your entire itinerary. You don't have to worry about a thing except what you're going to pack. Or the second way to do that, a lot of people are traveling to places that they're seeing in their favorite movie or their favorite book. If you've always thought about doing something like that, whether it be Lord of the Rings and going to see it in New Zealand and all of those sites, or the White Lotus, if you want to pick something out of that, and then send that to a travel agent and let them do your itinerary for you. And trip idea number 3 is my favorite. We actually did this past summer, and I would totally do it again. Heritage or ancestry trip. We went down to Italy, specifically in Sicily, where my great-grandparents started. And we got to visit family members that I had never met before. We did it along with our family, and it was an unforgettable trip. We met with family that never met before, and they threw together family parties, met people, spoke with them, thanks to the Google Translate, which was amazing. We were pretty much all talking with our phones like this to each other, but we were able to communicate. I've tried to learn Italian. not going as fast as I'd like. A family trip like no other. See where great-gran and great-gramp started and why they left Sicily at that time, saw where they lived, where they grew up, got all of the family history and stories. If it's something that you have always wondered about, make the effort to do a family trip. And if you can do it with other family members, even better. It was amazing. A new vacation, finding the old. Great way to explore, and being that we had other family members there, they took us around to see all of the sites. We didn't have to do a thing. They were the best hosts that anyone could ask for. Heritage Travel, give it a try this year. My prediction for 2026 is no longer having a 311 requirement. What do I base this on? London Heathrow made a big announcement, along with some other European airports, that they are now getting rid of the 311 liquids rule. You can now bring up to 2 liters in your carry-on bag. Huge. Not here in the States yet. But by the end of 2026, I'm making my prediction here today. We may not have to worry about carrying these little babies anymore in our carry-on suitcase. Wouldn't that be great? My favorite hair gel would be so excited. Thanks for being here with That Pilot Wife Lady with a quick share on 3 trips to add into your itinerary for 2026 so that you can travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. Happy travels. You always mess up this church name. In Barcelona, the Sagada from so sure.